Good morning. We are moving on to another list of words today. So you're going to move on to Cycle 21 word list. It's on the back page of your packet, or if you're online, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. And the word list is Cycle 21. The new words for you to work with for the next several days are going to be pain, tail, mail, sail, clean, beach, eat, dream, scream, squeak, boat, coat, throat, toast, and raincoat. And all of these words have something in common. All of these words have at least two vowels in them. Some of them have three or four vowels in them. So in order for you to do today's word work activity, we need to review what a vowel is, vowels and consonants. All letters are either all the letters in the alphabet are either a vowel or a consonant. I want to review with you that vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels in the alphabet, A, E, I, O, and U. All of the other letters in the alphabet are consonants. So, consonants, all of the other letters, okay? Vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. So your task today is to write down all of the words from the word list in your journal. I've done so right here in mine. And then you're going to go back over the words using a red and a blue marker, colored pencil, crayon, and you're going to trace the vowels in each word with a red marker or crayon, and you're going to trace over the consonant in the word with blue. So you'll see that that's what I did with the word pain. The P is a consonant, so it's blue. The A and the I are both vowels, so they are in red. And the N is a consonant, so it would be in blue. So please try your best with this task. Remember about vowels and consonants. It's very important that you know the difference and that you are able to see them in those words, okay? Have fun with this task, guys. And there's a great video also that goes along with your word work from Ms. Miller that will be posted up here as well. Bye.